Here we go. TPS auto set was successful. You see that? Successful. Alright, so I'm temporarily back on the 3rd gen. Got the Terminator X ECU back from Holley, and I passed all the tests. So they said chances are it's in the harness, which apparently is a fairly common issue. You know, if you do a Google search on forums, there's quite a few people out there that have the same issue. A lot of them say that there's a connection where there's a common ground that several of the sensors use, including the TPS sensor. You can actually download the wiring diagram and, you know, trace it back and figure it out. But Holley has already sent me a wiring harness, so I'm going to go ahead and replace it. And, you know, hopefully that'll resolve the issue. So always test it before you make it neat. Should be common sense. But not always, apparently. All right. Oh, here we go. Take it all apart again. Okay. All right. Here we go. Let's try it again. Moment of truth. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm a little short. Perform. Okay. Wizards. Auto set. TPS auto set was successful. You see that? Successful. Something's wrong with the harness. Okay. Okay. We're getting somewhere. All right, so I just got the tune from Jeff, the startup tune to break this thing in. So we're gonna go ahead and load it up and get started. All right. Okay. It sure would be nice if there was a seat. Okay.
Woof, a little smoky. All right, so of course the TP is gonna have to be raised up significantly, as always. And I don't remember what size that thing is, but all right, let's see what size this thing is first. Ow. Alright, chainsaw, you can't hear me, but temperature's 197, the fan came on, brought it down a little bit, AFR is 14, RPM's 850, oil pressure 40. Licky, no licky, everything's dry as a bone. Sweet.